What's up everyone? My name is Alex with Systems Refined, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how I create content. And I'm doing it because I kind of want to do it. I just want to show you guys. Like, really, that's it. I mean, if it helps you, that's awesome. I also kind of like editing videos a little bit, and you know, just gives me another video to kind of edit. Not that I want to edit videos all the time, but it just, you know, I feel like doing this one, so I'm doing it. I started working on this yesterday, so it's kind of already, I kind of have an idea of what to do. You can see it's due today, and that's not good, especially if I haven't created the video yet. So I have to do it today, and I don't like doing that. But hey, you know, sometimes I do it to myself. I mean, it's not like I have to, but you know, I do like making these videos. All right, let me get to it. So originally, this one here that says Advanced Asana. So originally it was this one here. See a task in your organization when assigned a task in a different organization. So basically what I was trying to answer was, you're a part of many different organizations in Asana. So let's say you have, you know, 5 different clients, and they assign you a task in their organization. Well, you want to see that task or maybe a new task populate in your organization saying, hey, there's a new task for you over here. But unfortunately that you can't actually do that. So I was playing with Zapier. I'm gonna call it Zapier. No, Zapier. I don't know. I'm gonna use it interchangeably. How about that? How to say Zapier. Oh, there you go. Rhymes with happier, so Zapier. So I was playing with it yesterday, and I realized that there is something that you can possibly do, and it's actually like says, so I can actually automatically populate a task in my Asana inbox when a new task is created in a different organization's project. Let me just fix that. Organization's project. It's not like anytime a new task is assigned to you or is created, you will be notified in your Asana. It actually has to be a specific project within that other organization. So I'm changing the title a little bit. This is still a very large title, so this is it's a working title right now. Let me go ahead and change all these so that this stays consistent and I don't get confused. Now I need to create the video. But before I create the video, I need to actually figure out how to do this. So like I said, I started working on it a little bit and I did figure it out. Like, it's just Asana doing this to Asana, and it's just Asana app, new task in a project. I chose my account and I used a different workspace. I also used a different organization, so it does work. And I chose a specific project, found the data, create a task in my Asana, and this one here, Systems Refined. And I have it, all I put in here was the title of the task in the title of the project. I have it assigned right to me into my inbox. That's it. Seems pretty simple, huh? And then, so now if I go to the Asana demo, and I go to content calendar, how to do this and that. Woohoo! Okay, cool. So once that's created, go back to my personal Asana, go to my tasks, and you'll see it populate up here soon, hopefully, maybe. There it is. Holy crap, that took a long time. So how to do this and that. Woohoo! In Content Calendar. So this is the title of the task and it's in Content Calendar within that organization. Maybe I should put the organization name. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, that's a much better idea, because now it just says Content Calendar. Like, well, wait a minute, I have my own Content Calendar right here. I didn't put that in there. So let's go ahead and do that. Customize task. All right. There we go. Let's see if that's a little bit better. There it is. New task in Asana demo in project content calendar. titled Let's Try This Again. Gah! Perfect. I like that. Asana demo and project. How about I put under content calendar? Yeah, under the project. My dog is sleeping. New task in Asana demo under the project content calendar titled My Dog is Sleeping. Okay, so now that I figured out how to do that, let me go ahead and delete all these things because in the real video, I make it a little bit more professional. All right, so the first thing I need to do is create the video content. So I have a checklist here. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on that. I already have the topic and type, so I need to create the outline. Video title, what the heck is this video title gonna be? All right, I need to change this title. Task created shows up organization. All right, that's the title. There it is. The intro is always the same, so I don't have to mess with volume or any of this stuff. Tasks created in your organization. So I got the title done. Now I need to actually start recording. Hey everyone, my name is Alex with Systems Refined, and today I'm going to show you how to get a task to show up in your organization when a task is created in a different organization. So you know what's super frustrating? I recorded the video, and after I was done recording, I put my microphone away just because it's a habit. So I put it over here, so you really can't hear what I'm saying. You know, the volume's not that good. So out of habit, I put the microphone there, and then I started recording me editing the video, and you know, it's a little bit of other things here and there, and completely couldn't hear anything. So I'm not even going to show that content. But I kind of enjoy doing this, so I might do it again on a different video, or how, you know, other ways I create content. It gives you a different perspective on how I do things, and yeah, so I thought it was kind of fun, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it too. And if you did, go ahead and click on that like button and click on subscribe so you don't miss any more of my Asana tips videos or videos like this. All right, thanks for watching.